Easy money.
Holy shit, Shaw was about to join us.
Was he?
Yep.
Oh, rep.
Well, I'm gonna stay on after this game, so.
So you can play for 12-year-old.
So Becca, you're gonna play this.
You'll be on the watch list too.
Hey guys, if it just ends up being him and the 12-year-old, I'm gonna be concerned for the 12-year-old, and we should probably get them to record their conversation just in case anything dodgy happens.
Why am I Genji?
Don't worry, I'll be right behind you.
I was about to go for last game, but since he's coming back, might as well play a few with him.
Yeah, we can all just play without Ethan, and he can suffer and cry himself to sleep.
What about you? You were gonna go to bed too, dude.
Not anymore. I like to see you suffer.
Oh, alright.
I'm here to support. Feeling more powerful?
I think you'll be the one suffering.
I make sure that doesn't stop.
Suffer as I have.
Luck.
Oh, big anti.
One on point, one on point,
Ram.
one on point, one on point.
I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead.
Wait.
I'm on point, but I'm also.
Be over here.
Oh, he went the other way.
Repainted.
You call?
Oh, I got picked.
Hey, in
Oh dear.
Sombra behind. Got no support.
Today? Oh, okay, today.
I better be more careful.
Storm.
Just
Right by you.
come back.
Come back, Sim.
Storm was actually a support. Same Storm.
Locator set.
Ariana Grande.
Team personally.
Let me see what I can do. Boosting your damage.
No.
This will help you. Onwards.
My miscalculation or yours?
Sombra behind.
Yeah.
I'm here to support.
Sombra behind again.
That all happened. That was. I ulted and then they did that. On the switch.
Making a
Oh man, get out, Sombra.
Amid discord, we will find tranquility.
I have 1 damage and almost 4k damage. I have 1 Elam and almost 4k damage. Just can't kill anything.
An enemy here. Here is an enemy.
Point, touch point.
Oh shit.
Okay, we back up now. Oh, we spawn came. Call back on Zarya.
I don't know why she just did that.
Fun.
pity.
The outcome
Oh, it's gone fair
is
now.
not preordained.
Remember, I got 3.
Wait, they don't have Sombra anymore.
Switch Farah.
I don't know why I'm going Farah into triple hit scan. Okay. Team's legit.
Enemy in my sight.
No one can hide from my sight.
They got a Tsar now.
Heal this one. Listen to my prayer.
They got a Tracer now.
Enemy here.
Do not provoke me.
Yes, there? Okay, I'll be on the
Thank-
same.
Eventually.
No, I will be.
Fine.
But I have to do it tomorrow.
The silver tongue for silence.
Okay, will you message me? Okay,
My friend.
yes, there.
Remember, yes dear.
Remember, happy wife equals happy life.
Sensor activated.
Parabon.
Our minds aligned.
Nice.
Soul ignited.
Was that Reaper? Is he dead? Oh yeah.
I killed him. I got him somewhere again.
Oh, they're so trolled.
I got mines anyway.
It's because I just can't kill her. Really struggling.
Where is that? Oh, Reaper's behind.
I got him off the edge. I knocked him off the edge.
Yes, there.
Oh well.
No one can hide from my sight.
We're behind.
Well, you can get it now while you're standing there. Should be finished by now.
An enemy here.
Oh.
Reaper's on the ground.
Well, I'll just want to get up. Yes, there. I mean, yes, honey.
Now it's a heaven.
Sombra asleep behind.
Oh, come on.
Sombra dead.
Nanoboost administered.
Pain is an excellent teacher.
Good pick.
God spotted.
This one.
Tsar by herself.
Room for you.
Where did
Nice.
Kirk run off to? Oh, I found her.
60 seconds.
Help!
Oh, sorry.
What the fuck
She-
is the replicator?
I'm not sure. She's moved
It's
it.
somewhere on the right. Like, probably up there side.
Is that a monkey now?
Yeah.
Okay, just spotted.
Monkey load.
Soul ignited.
Not long enough.
No one can hide from my sight.
Nah, you're right. I like slept in midair, so.
A
She's up top.
reminder that
10 seconds.
they ain't winning on my watch. Push her back. Maximum danger.
You're welcome, mate.
Careful there as well, man.
Not everything is to be taken
Good hold.
seriously.
Thank you.
Nice drip strike, Ed.
Thank you very much.
Score 0.
Did you like that hold, petty boy?
I did actually.
You slut! The funniest part is, like, the Sombra gave up on hacking me. And decided going after when it was the best option.
He was just aiming me down with this at that point, I think.
Yeah. And it wasn't working very well, was it?
Well, he got 1 kill on me. Then you guys jumped on me to save me.
Yeah, I just slammed a point and I was like, there he is.
Hello.
Bonjour.
You're a fuckhead, I know what you're trying.
What am I trying?
You're knocking off the table.
I wasn't even attempting to. I was just jumping. I was trying to jump on top of you, to be honest.
Hello.
You're a birth defect, leave me alone.
Humans are right behind you.
Oh god.
Ew.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attack
Hosting your
commencing.
damage.
Capture objective
Let's
Stay
see.
away of your
They're gonna
minions.
be on that high bit.
I'm here to support
Metro.
you. I'll face them.
They got a diva?
I have opened the boundary.
One. Oh.
Diva's low.
Okay, I redeemed myself.
I will see my healing.
Good shot, dude. He was gonna go after me, wasn't he?
Yep. Good chasing you.
Enhancing your strength.
GG.
Greetings.
Objective A
Help.
captured.
Help. Save me. Thank you. Now bully him. Take his lunch money.
I'm under attack.
Oh no. No, my lunch money.
Can you, like...
You needed a goddess?
No. Can you, like?
Yeah, bitch.
Right.
No one can hide from
Line
my
up like
sight.
it. I could use some assistance. Onward.
Winston asleep?
Let me get that. Oh, what the? Oh, come on.
Oh, come on.
Healthy body, healthy mind.
Ooh la la.
Right, they got Moira. Oh, not Moira. May.
Just what they needed.
Winston's probably close to ult, if he doesn't already have it.
Oh, I'm close to.
I have to use the ice block.
Working as a system.
I will eliminate chaos.
There's one. Teleporter materialized.
Another plus damage is fine, so holy shit.
I just do it for the meme.
We are uplifted.
Oh yeah? You're gonna...
On target. Improving your vitals.
I'm bad, I can't hit him at all.
I got 2 shots on it. Winston asleep.
I hit him twice as well, but not a headshot.
Perfect alignment.
Winston low.
Damage.
Oh, thanks.
Damn, foul res.
We're at New Spawn anyway. It don't matter.
I'll push my left.
I'm being teabagged. Oh, lovely. I've pissed them off.
Onwards to victory.
Oh, good ball. Oh, that's... Winston, you're not good. I hope you know that.
No one can hide from my sight.
Let me see what I can do.
Nice.
Enhancing your
Boy behind.
Fuck! Dude, I was literally an inch off fucking slamming onto the edge.
Oh, I nearly.
I got my chucky backing, I guess. Nice shot. Not that we'll need it.
Top right, top right.
Okay, he died. Pinky bunky bird. Imagine blocking yourself off from getting to the point.
Yeah.
Play of the
Hey, cool, wow.
Oh, what? This is here? Oh, that makes sense actually.
Oh, yeah, yeah. That's right now, isn't it?